Yo, yo, yo. Happening. Let's have a look what's going on with the markets then. I think we had some news today as well. Okay, first of all, that's not happening today. Second of all, that's definitely not happening today. Okay, so euro, we can keep that as it is. Probably drag that over to 3 o'clock. Then pound, that can go. Move up. Yep, can stay. But before New York session. Then use DJP. Oof, that's done a bit of a move, hasn't it? Hello. That's done a bit of a move. It's probably also going to be New York session. Okay, so we're just flying on UJ. Nothing I can do there. Mark that out. But I think that's about it. I don't think I've got anything else I could do about that. So this is supposed to be just a big massive, yeah, this is just a big ginormous wick. I'm not sure what that was for again. That's fine, I suppose. What about DJ? So that come down. Look at these lows. Pretty nice move after that. I think GJ might have a move then. What about gold and silver then? We drop down to 43, then pick back up from there. We drop down to 66 and then pick back up from there. Go to alerts. You can reinstate that. We just had a massive drop all the way down here, so I don't know if I can just count one leg, two leg and go along that's it, because there's nothing else to go off of. took that zone by 7-8 pips. Then you got GJ here as well. So the news, retail sales year on year, 7 o'clock. Supposed to be 2.1, come out as 2.5, which is brilliant. Retail sales month on month minus 0.7, come out minus 0.4. UK core retail sales minus 1. Come out at minus 0.4, better. So it's come out really good news. So why is this is a dollar strength issue? I see. It's the last trading day in the month. Everyone might just be buying the dollar if you see a push. I'd expect some type of profit taking because you got the weekend ahead and apparently Trump sending troops. I don't know if he's already sent them or if he's going to send them or something. Something was due to happen with that. I find that fascinating to say the least. So let's go back to the charts and what's going to happen. I think I'd want a long in the hopes that we're going to short on here. That's all I've got for now. I don't really have much. So first leg, second leg failed. Beautiful, because there's nothing to go off of. And then pound. And it just, yeah, thing one leg, two leg. Third there, comb, took that out, filled the gap, did a rejection off of Asia high. Be a fake out. If you wanted to go long. No direction as of yet anyway. Not much happening yet. Hopefully by half 8 we'll know if there's gonna be like moves or if it's just gonna be a chop range band day. If it is, then I'll just call it quits early. Known in the chat, nah bro, the last few streams have been quite dead because the markets have been so bad. The last few days, so bad. I think the guys are giving up, or they tend to come at like 8 o'clock, half 8. They come in a bit later. Either really early, like right at the start, or like quite late. I think they can't be bothered with the charts, which I understand. Also, anyway, hello Francis, long time no see.
Welcome to Stratton Oakmont.
Oh, I've been streaming me gaming, and I've been gaming, and I'm actually kind of enjoying it. I might have a tiny bit of an addiction. Yeah, charts have been crap, so bad. I've been calling price really good though. Like I think this week I've got price right almost like 80% of the time. Just the usual problem of not really getting tagged. You know. All good. It's planting season in Kenya, so I'm busy too. Yes, you're helping the thing and stuff. We miss you though. Where do you stream your games? On YouTube. So if you look on YouTube and you go my live stream section, I've been streaming me playing Ghost of Tsushima, which is a really good game. But you know what, Francis? I'm very picky on the games I play. I am very picky. Sorry about that. At least TP hit just a few minutes ago. yeah, that's good. Congratulations. Congratulations. On YouTube. Normally after trading London session, or yesterday I was so tired, bro. I took a nap. So I don't normally take naps. I took a nap 2 days ago, and after that my sleeping pattern's cooked. So yeah, but I might play again today after I finish streaming London session. So like, because the streams are getting shorter and shorter, you know, because price action's getting worse. Yeah, it's just the streams are getting shorter, obviously. So probably like 15-20 minutes after the session ends, and I'm streaming in 2K as well because the computer's just about handling it, and the FPS is brilliant. So after it goes to Tsushima, I'm gonna probably play Final Fantasy 7 or God of War, or I want to play Tides of Annihilation. That looks like a really good game, but it's not out yet. Yeah, GJ are laggy and gold is too volatile to trade the way I do. Yeah, because there's no pullback. In London session, it's been horrendous. New York session's been brilliant, but obviously the issue is it's not getting pullbacks. Like, my problem's the same as what it's always been. I call price really good, but price just wears my entry, doesn't do a pullback, that sort of thing. I hate Trump markets. Like, Trump markets are really bad. Like, but apparently, like, all my friends who've been trading for a long time, they said like 2022 to 2024 was brilliant, and they said since Trump's come in, it's been really bad. I was like, well, I'm glad I'm surviving, but I'm surviving by basically not even taking any trades, which isn't a bad thing, but at the same time, you're not really growing your curve as a trader either, you know what I mean? Like, you're just kind of stuck in limbo, which I don't mind because obviously my patience is brilliant, but it would be nice to get some better conditions so I can actually start making some money and stuff like that, you know. Also, there's been some updates on I've been banned from one prop firm because obviously they're just causing too many problems and stuff. You probably already know who that is, but I got the payout before they banned me, so that's okay. And I'm actually happy I got banned because I don't have to deal with them anymore. That's kind of freedom, I suppose. Okay, so we are going down. London Open on the minute has taken these lows. Okay, this looks like it might want to go long, but I could be speaking too soon. But just looking at it right now, oh my god, how big is the spread? 1.1 pip. What the hell? GJ's also, the GJ's spreads have become absolutely whack. Like, the spreads have been so big. Oh my god. How big? 1.1, 1.2, 1.1, 1.1, 1.2. Yo, the spreads are huge. That's like gbpchf level spreads. Beautiful. So we've taken Frankfurt low on the minute. Euro's taken that low. Hopefully this is going to give direction. I'd hope. But other than that, how's your accounts looking? I should probably start looking at New York again, but if I'm gaming, I probably won't because I'll just be sat gaming, to be honest. Also, there's been a lot of big progress in the war, or big developments in the war. I don't know if you've been following that stuff or not. A fat drop on here. GJ's trying to hold that zone after taking that low. For me to go long, I need that low to hold, in all honesty. Been 4 minutes and it's not dropped even more. It's not dropped, so that's kind of good. Silver dropped all the way down to Mangi. I don't know if you, not Mangi, Francis. I don't know if you're still here or not, but silver dropped all the way back down to 60 or 61, almost dead. And then gold dropped all the way down to 49.9, so almost dropped below 4K, which is really good, to be fair. I was kind of like hoping gold would go to around, where was it? For me, that would have been a level to kind of go long. But the only reason I didn't is because of the war stuff. There's a lot going on, and I just don't feel like it's a good idea to buy gold right now, because the Fed and stuff like that is very. We might, basically, they're supposed to cut rates twice in 2026, but it's turned into potentially one rate hike. So because of that, I was like, I don't really know if I want to be looking at gold for longs. I might be looking at potentially considering going short on gold. That's kind of what I was thinking anyway. Okay, so euro is still going down, pounds just holding. I think 37's a big drop. I think like I wanted it to just touch under 4K, so like 39.50, 39.80, and then that'd have been a nice level to just like do a tiny buy. But it's not really gone up by much. I mean, it's gone up by what, 400 or whatever, 4,000 or whatever, which isn't really a lot for gold. Because it just it's basically like a fake out. You had the range, yeah, it dropped, faked out, dropped straight back in, pulled back straight into a range in it, which is where we've been sat pretty much 4,300 all the way through to 40, about 45. So it's just been stuck between there for this whole week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Yeah, I think the market doesn't know what to do with the whole war and stuff, and then also with the Fed saying that they're gonna start doing rate hikes. So yeah, that's kind of what I think with that anyway. Hey Mwangi, Haribo Undugu, Haribu Undugu.
Welcome to Stratton Oakmont.
Mambo Poa Undugu. Mambo is very fresh, my guy. Very good, my brother. Very good, my brother. Francis also said the markets are shit. So we've got Francis approval that the markets are like shit. I feel like I want to go long, but at the same time, looking at GJ, it is valid that you've got that drop there, that drop there. The volume looked okay here, then it's kind of like bled. Yeah, so just waiting for something. A few of the guys have come to the stream and stuff when I'm gaming. That's great. Yeah, this week market's been crazy. Yeah, it's been really shit, to be honest, bro. Really shit. Like really shit. But it's been good and shit. Like it's moved, but it's not allowed for entries to move, which is usual. Especially yesterday. Oh my god. Yesterday was so bad. Look at that. On Euro, absolutely horrendous. Then it dropped to like a clan. And then in New York session, well, I don't count the first hour of New York, yeah. I do the rest of it. Then it just range banned on Euro. Absolutely disgusting. And then on pound, it was you had a chance to go long, but there was no entry. And then there was a chance to go short, but for me it's outside of my time window. And then there's no entry for longs. There was entry for shorts, but invalidation as always. What about GJ? London was okay. Yeah, I don't like the markets at the moment. I'm not keen. I want to go back to like, apparently Biden markets are amazing, so I would very much like to go to Biden markets. Looking for some gold trades now. Yesterday I got 2 break-evens, then price rushed to my TP. Well, at least you catch the entry. That itself is good. You mean a non-social media president? Just anyone but Trump. Anyone but Trump. Actually, no, I say anyone. Like, as long as it's not JD Vance or Steve Witkoff or Jared Kushner, then yeah. Just normal people, man, or less crazier people. I mean, Biden's still crazy, I suppose, but you know what I mean. So what games was I thinking about playing? So here's the list of games I'm thinking about. God of War, Tides of Annihilation. I really like the look of Tides of Annihilation, but it's not released yet. They'll probably pick God of War 1, then Ragnarok, Final Fantasy Rebirth, and then that's it really. They're the games I'm looking at. I was looking at Horizon, but I don't like the look of robotics and stuff like that. Bit dorky for me. JD Vance has had a pretty good standing now. Trump has washed away any hopes he had, especially with the rumors that he started the war to kickstart Armageddon, all sorts of rumors. But JD Vance is just as hard as the right winger as Trump is, because they're all, you know, freaking Israeli puppets, aren't they? They're all Israeli. Apparently, bro, did you hear about the president of Uganda? The president of Uganda, or whatever it is, yeah, said that if Iran goes any further, we're gonna join the war and support Israel. I was like, what is Uganda? Who is Uganda? Shut up and sit down, man. Honestly, fix your own country, bro. Fix your own country. You wanna come to Iran? They're gonna slap you They're gonna slap you back to freaking the start of the humanity. God of War 1, yeah. I don't want to play it, but because it's a story-based game, like ChatGPT is like, listen, play it. Don't be an idiot. But I do like the look of it because I like the whole Zeus and all that stuff, like, you know, Greek mythology and stuff. And looking at M1 now, see if there's any direction. Hey Mwangi, what's your bias today? I'm thinking the EU, I would like to go long on EU GU and then see UJ drop, but because it looks like the war is still going on, that's just gonna encourage people to Uganda is a superpower. Uganda's gonna get sent back to prehistoric times. Even America had no chance against Iran, and then Uganda's like, we are going to go to war with you. I don't know the accent for Uganda. I don't know the Ugandan accent. I don't have any friends from Uganda to know the accent. But we are going to go to war with you. We are Uganda. We are strong people. And then Iran's gonna send one, two drones. Okay, sir, we are sorry. Forgive us and our ignorance. We did not realize the power of the state of Iran. We are sorry, sir. Please let us get our ship through the state of Hormuz. It's funny when I hear like crazy stuff like that. Like, bro, who even is Uganda? Oh dear Lord. They need their oil. Is a landlocked country. Yeah, of course they do. Of course they do. I don't know much about Uganda, innit? I know a bit about Kenya. I know a bit about Nigeria. I know a lot about Jamaica. Me know lots about Jamaica. And then I don't know much about Botswana, Ghana. There's another one, Gambia, then Botswana. Yeah. And I don't know much about them countries. We're nearly 20 minutes into London Open and we've had almost no move in the market yet. Just had the London Open move like on the minute, and then that was about it. Bear in mind, it is the last day of the month, you know, so there could be a chance that not much will happen, because I don't think we have news, do we? Oil explosions heard in Bahrain, Kuwait and Qatar. Wait, why Qatar? I thought they made an agreement with Qatar. That's not right. That can't be right. They made an agreement with Qatar, so they shouldn't have attacked them. Okay, so Iranian intelligence arrests 3 members of Mossad-linked team in the Kermanshah region. That's good. You need to get all the freaking agents out of there. Okay, try a buy at gold at 33 for a scalp. Okay, so you're saying gold, yeah, at 33. So around here, 44.33. Oh, do you remember Haroon? He got an account. He managed to make like 8% in 2 days scalping, like in 2 days, which I was shocked by. Like, why would you go so hard? And then on the 3rd day, nearly blew his account. Oh man, this guy. How big of an SL would you have though? I mean, because the markets are doing crazy moves, you'd want like a 250 pip SL. And remember, London's been ranging, so you probably don't want to buy gold right now. Because if you're gonna wait for a tiny scalper back up, you're gonna need a big SL in case it drops. And then you're only gonna get like a 0.5 risk reward or something. Gold. He was trading gold. He was trading gold. You want a 50 pip SL? Are you crazy, Moangi? That tight? Bro, come on, man. What type of risk reward are you looking for? That is such a risky trade, Moangi. That is such a that's a Haroon trade right there. That is way too risky. Oh yo, wait, where's my soundboard?
Fuyo.
That's a fuyo trade. I think it's just gonna consolidate how it has been for a while, type thing. Moangi, that's crazy. Stop giving stupid ideas. That's crazy. This guy wants us to blow accounts and take failing trades. Oh dear. Oh dear, Moangi, that is dangerous. I'm gonna sit on M2, and then same with Euro, just sit on M2. Okay, so we got first leg. Yeah, legit. And like London's just doing like 150 pips up and down, or it's just consolidating in the 60 pip range or something for like a freaking hour and a half, and then it'll start moving like 11-12 o'clock. It'll probably do 100-200 pip moving in like 11-12 o'clock, and then it'll chop again, and then New York will do like a 5, 6, 7, 800 pip move. It's mad. It's just mad at the moment, Francis. Like it's just the level of consistency is inconsistent within itself. That's not really a breaker structure for me. That's just first leg trying to make a second leg. It made equal highs. Yeah, that's not good enough for me to. Oh, I'm trading on my phone. How come you're trading on your phone and not your laptop? Also, Francis, this computer is absolutely amazing. Now I've been using it for like what, two months or something? 1 month or 2 months or something. Absolutely fantastic, bro. Oh my god. Oh my god. Also, I played a COD with the Sahad. COD is actually not bad, and I'm okay at it. I'm not shit. What sad is that gold has become a New York thing. We used to hit it off on London, man. What happened to you, Goldie? Gold was like, yeah, you know what it is? It's because, you know, because all the geopolitics and stuff like that, I think like is mainly traded in New York session because of the Yanks and stuff like that. I think a lot of it is just American market. I think American market is moving gold more than anyone else, and I think everyone's just waiting to capitalize on the back of that move, if that makes sense, because nothing's happening in London. I would do the same thing. If London's doing nothing and everything's happening in New York session when the Americans are active, I would just wait for them and then try to capitalize off of the back of their move. It makes sense, bro. But to be honest, I'm expecting a big crash on gold again. When the war comes to an end, yeah, because it's gonna come to an end soon. When it comes to an end and gold absolutely drops, and then you start going back to what's the Fed doing and stuff like that, gold is gonna fall because they're talking about doing rate hikes and stuff. That's not good. Now, yes, it was because of the situation. Look, wait, GJ, wait. It sells a bit big, man, 5 pips, because I'm having to account for 1 pip covering the zone and the spread covering it as well. That's a bit big. 4.8's a bit big. Coming from a mid to max computer is always phenomenal. I wouldn't even say the computer was mid. The i7, because it's 12th gen or 11th gen, no, 9th gen. There's 2018 with DDR4 16 gig with a very basic GPU. For a standard computer, it was quite good for a standard computer. Like, it was fast for what it was. But when you start opening TradingView, opening 10 MetaTraders, opening Discord and YouTube and OBS, then it's like, oh brother, this is excessive use, brother. And the RAM was capped. I think if you had like 32 gig of RAM, it would have been much better. But it didn't.
ECB rate hikes by September.
Asia's okay and gold too. Yeah, Asia, you know, New York and Asia is where it is. Honestly, if you can start trading like when Asia starts, after half an hour of starting Asia, bro, hit buy, hold it, you're done. Hold it for like 3 hours and you're done. I'm not staying awake at 2 a.m. just to trade gold. 2 a.m. is for reading spicy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Welcome to Stratton Oakmont.
Reading spicy phone for you. Oh shit, Amal's here. Long time no see.
Welcome to Stratton Oakmont.
Amal, bhai, where have you been, bhai? I wanted to take this, but I don't like the fact it's 4.8 pips. It's a bit big, and I'm really like strict on following my rules, so I can't do it. I can't do it. The gang is back slowly. Yeah, I haven't seen Amal in a long time. I thought he's blue accounts and he's depressed. I'd love to see Yaya from Kurdistan. I've not seen him for a long time. It'd be good to see him. You're talking about 5 to 6 apps. I can even have more than browser and MT5 open. Yeah, but technically it's a TradingView. TradingView, C Trader, MetaTrader, Discord, OBS, my Brave browser, 6 in it, yeah. Brave, OBS, Discord, TradingView, or Heron Copier, MetaTrader 5, E-Trader, 7 things. 7 things open. And don't forget the MT5s, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 MT5s open. Friday, you're gonna get fired. Where is the signal guy, Khalil? You know, he is known as Luli the cat from Pakistan. What the hell? Took a buy yesterday before sleeping at 55. Woke up, trades closed on TP. Asia is late. Yeah, it is. Honestly, I'm trying to go sleep on time, so I can't really trade Asia. But I think if you just stick like a 0.02 lot on and have like a 300 pip SL or 400 pip SL, or like 300 pip even, and then just during Asia and just let it go high, bro. Just yeah, you 100% you can do that. Aren't the spreads going to kill your account, Dima? Asia is amazing. Yeah, it is. Amal, you like oil, yeah?
The markets. If you're a real day trader, go real time at financialjuice.com/purchase and save 60.
It looks like it's gonna be an early day to end the stream and then start playing some games.
Brilliant deal. Come on, people.
Love oil. Not spread swaps. No, because if you wait for the day to start, like Asia session, let the clock go over, you don't have to pay swaps. You could just hold it for the 1, 2, 3 hours of Asia and we're done. When can we play Ghost of Tsushima? Probably like 1 hour. We'll give it an hour and then we'll do. Amal has become an American. Yeah, he has. He's ready to invade. The thing is, he's already in Emirates, so he's ready to invade them and they're not looking. He's part of the Trump regime. Amal is an undercover spy. Nobody's gonna suspect an Indian. Nope, it was 0.05. Oh god, that's gonna be nice TP, bro. 0.05 on gold, yeah, with what, like a 300 pip SL, a 300 pip TP or something. Boy, oh boy, that'd be lovely. Let's have a look. So let's just do that, and then we'll do that. And like if you were to target like 350 pips, that's 170. That's like 175, bro. That's not bad. If you like, you do 0.05 lot and then you do a 350 pip move, it's like 175 pounds. About $200. That's not bad. Oh shit. So yeah. And just keep an eye on what's happening with this trade here, innit? So you had lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, higher low, higher high. I don't like the look of this price action, bro. With 35 minutes into London Open, we've not really had any volume. That is awkward, bro. That's really awkward. What about pound? Is it at the 33 level? Oh, why you didn't take it at 33? Okay, yeah, he did take it at 33. Okay, he did. So either his you're gonna set a limit. I'm gonna set an alert at here for your SL, and then where's your TP? Where's your TP? Lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, equal high, higher low, break structure there. Yeah, this is crappy price action. Oh my dear lord. Horrendous. Let's look at UJ. Yeah, horrendous price action, bro. Absolutely horrendous price action. Good. How's your accounts looking, Amal? ACG had a really good discount on. They had 40% off. I think it's finished now though. The US Treasury bond yields are going crazy as well. Also, did you guys see when the Prime Minister of Japan went to speak to Trump in that press conference, and then Trump basically absolutely destroyed the whole of Japan and their honor and their people about the Pearl Harbor comment? Do you not know about that? That was so bad, bro. Even the Prime Minister was just like, get me the fuck out of here. And then as soon as she left, they made a deal with Iran to pay a £2 million toll and get the tanker through. I was like, wow. Trump's just purposely making enemies at this point. Yep, buys aren't working. It's just not gonna happen, is it? That's the nearest supply zone. It tagged the supply zone, consolidated, then moved after about 9 minutes. I don't know what to do, boyos. I don't know what to do. Francis, can you recommend me some games, please? Because you're into your games, aren't you? I think. How's your accounts looking then? Are they in profit? Are they break even? Have you passed phase 1, man? You know, one thing I don't understand yet is we had news at 7 o'clock right here on pound. It come out good for the UK, quite good, and it still dropped. But I think that was just the dollar being strong. But even freaking euro, even euro dropped as well. So I'm surprised because I thought at least pound would have been a bit more resilient compared to euro then. If that makes sense. Also, Mwangi, you didn't tell me where your TP is. Iran is trolling so hard, bro, I swear. It's absolutely hilarious. They're really good at trolling. Okay, so, well, since you're a trader and you're used to getting effed, you can try Elden Ring. I don't like, so I didn't know what Souls games are, obviously, because I'm new to all of this. And then after, because I've had a very extensive chat with ChatGPT about games, and then I heard about Elden Ring, and then yeah, it's not for me. So you're on about 4460 is your first TP, yeah, Mangi? So here 4460. Okay, done. So I've put that there. So yeah, I don't think I like Souls games because that gameplay is crap. There's no story. All it is just, you know, fighting, dying, fighting, dying, fighting, dying, fighting, dying, fighting, dying to then win. I don't enjoy those types of games. They seem pointless to me. They genuinely seem pointless to me. I mean, you know what, Mangi, it is near Asia midline, so you might get a bit of a push. Warhammer 40k, never heard of that. What even is that? I look into the game.
Ex-Bank of Japan Governor Kuroda says there's no problem raising policy rate 3 to 4 times throughout the next year to around 1.5%. That's from Asahi interview.
What did he say? So that was a fat wick. You just getting the most randomest of moves, bro, I swear. Out of nowhere. Pushing up a bit so far, Mwangi. Look at Euro. I do not like this price action whatsoever. I really don't. Come on, give me something clean now. Then same with GJ. I think GJ is starting to look a bit better for a long. I say starting because anything can happen. But yeah, there's a lot of Souls games. I don't understand why they're so popular. I don't like that style of game. I'll stick around till about 9, 9:15, see if we get anything. I'll see how price looks. If it don't look so bad, I'll stick around till 9:30. What's your type of game? So I love Ghost of Tsushima, absolutely amazing. Because the graphics, so I think, what's the point of having such a good computer if you can't basically use every single point of it? And what I mean is, if you can't get really good cinematics and stuff like that, then what's the point of playing a game? So I was recommended Ghost of Tsushima by my friend. And then I played Ghost of Tsushima. Actually really enjoyed it because the graphics are absolutely amazing. The scenes are absolutely amazing. The cutscenes are really good. The story is really good. It's open world, so you get to explore and look around and do whatever you want. You're not stuck to like just following the story. So like the gameplay is good, you know. Alright then, Kingdom Come Deliverance, Elder Scrolls Oblivion Remastered might be your lane. Okay. Kingdom Come Deliverance. Okay. I'll have a look at that. I was recommended Red Dead Redemption 2 because that's also open world and got good cinematics and stuff like that, blah blah blah. But I don't like the cowboy thing. Even though it's a really good game, apparently I just don't like the whole cowboy thing. It's not my vibe. Yeah, Ghost of Tsushima is great because it's Japanese and it's very animated, and the fighting mechanics are quite good. It's not simple. There's a bit more to it. The story is well written. It's open world. Blah blah blah. The only reason where Ghost of Tsushima fails is it's not multiplayer online, like an MMO game or whatever. If they had more of a Genshin Impact style, like MMO type thing, it would be 10/10. But then I don't know how they would keep that game going and what purpose they'd keep it going for. I'll try Kingdom Come Deliverance. I've heard of that, but I don't know what it's about. Oh, if you're into MMOs, then try Where Winds Meet. Yeah, apparently Where Winds Meet's like Genshin Impact a bit. Well, I've got Wuthering Waves. Apparently Wuthering Waves is good, but I don't like gacha games because they're just money pits. But I was thinking about Where Winds Meet, but apparently Wuthering Waves is better than Where Winds Meet, apparently. You don't like waifus? Waifus are cool, don't get me wrong. But I want to play Tides of Annihilation. That looks amazing. I was looking at Diablo. Diablo looked absolute, bro. It's like a movie. Diablo was. It's like a freaking movie. And then I looked at the gameplay. And I was like, what is this shit? Literally, I was like, what is this? This is the worst thing I've seen in my life. How can you have such a good, like, movie style based game, like proper top tier cinematic, Netflix funded, whatever, and then the actual game is horrendous? Like, how? Like, what?
Zelensky says Ukraine signs defense arrangement with Saudi
Yeah, it's disgusting, bro. Like, horrendous. Like, it's mad. So after talking to ChatGPT, basically suggested to me to do God of War after Ghost of Tsushima, and God of War, then to do Final Fantasy. And then after Final Fantasy, do Wuthering Waves, because Wuthering Waves is one of the best gacha games at the moment, and it's way more better than Genshin Impact because it's too cartoony. But I don't want to play gacha based games because then it's just a money pit, and I'm an idiot. I'll end up spending a lot of money. Okay, so let's do Kingdom Come. What's that? I just wait for ChatGPT to stop lagging because the conversation's so big it's having an absolute meltdown. And then I'll ask about that game. Okay, GJ is still dropping. The volume was there from here to here. No end. So I wouldn't enter here. I wouldn't enter here because I'll need confirmation that's going to reject from that high and not go back up again. And then price dropped, tagged into that supply zone there, which I didn't really notice. Yeah, shorts. So I was wrong on GJ today. No problemo. I don't get why we're seeing a divergence with the EU and GU. It doesn't make sense. I've got Dragon Ball Xenoverse for my nerdiness. And then obviously just in case New York comes down here, I'm gonna mark that low out there, just in case New York does a bit of a move over to it. Bro, ChatGPT is crazy. It's not even working. It's fully cooked. Okay. It is really struggling right now. Let me open it on the computer instead. Maybe it's gonna be better on the. Okay, let's try it again. Now I think it gave the answer. Go on here, so yeah, price is whack, man. It's not even. Oh, that was a weekly high. Okay. I didn't realize that was a weekly high. That has relevance. I did not realize that was a weekly high. That has a lot of relevance. Okay, so it's saying, yeah. Okay, so why hasn't it done it yet? Having a meltdown. I don't know why. Let's look at this carefully because that's a weekly high. So high, low, high, 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 low, higher, high, higher, low, lower, high, lower, low, lower, high, higher, low, internal, lower, high. Then we drop down, break structure there, pull back. Dropped all the way down here. We got Asia high bounce. Yeah, there's too many things with problems with this because it can go so many ways. I don't like it. Nope, I'm not a fan. Has it loaded it yet? Not even done it, that's fine. What about There, I asked about it. Let's see what it says. It's really struggling to hold these lows, isn't it? Also, I was looking at how much game developers make. Bro, they make some crazy money, man. Like absolutely insane levels of money. Oh, Mwangi hit SL. Mwangi hit SL. Everyone give him cuddles. He hit SL.
Get ECB CPI expectations.
We are sorry for your loss, Mwangi. Right now, it come down, take you the fuck out. Oh no. Oh no, Mwangi get cooked. Oh no. R.I.P. Kenya. Oh no. If this was COD, I would ask Francis to go save him by reviving him. Yeah, typical freaking stupid price action. Nah, even this, his dog tag died. Okay, so yes, this is important. Right, this one is very important for you because this game is either this is amazing or annoying as hell. What type of game is it? Open world medieval RPG. There's a problem already. Medieval. But super realistic, this changes everything. Key differences from other games. This is not fantasy, not magic, not dragons, not cool flashy abilities. It's more like real life medieval simulator. Sounds boring. Combat is slow, technical, difficult. You can't just spam attacks and fight 3 people. You have to aim attacks, block properly, think about stamina.
So ECB
Described as
CPI
tactical and realistic.
4 to
Difficulty.
2.5%.
You start as a weak peasant, so you get beaten easily. The game struggles.
4 to 2.5% as well.
Yeah, even fighting 2 enemies very risky. The world is good, beautiful countryside, realistic villages, immersive but slow pace and less cinematic than Ghost. Real talk, everything important for you. Based on everything you said so far, problems for you: no flashy combat, slower gameplay, more real life than fun, no cool monsters or anything cool. You might feel like, why is everything so hard and slow? Things you might like: the real world, realistic world, the immersion, the medieval setting.
Expand product imports from EU.
This is not your type of game. Ghost of Tsushima is cinematic and smooth. God of War is epic and story based. Kingdom Come is realistic and slow. Final answer: should you buy it? No, because it's not in your favor. Honest recommendations for you are Ghost, God of War, and Horizon. Even though, yeah. Oh my god, ChatGPT said I can't continue the conversation anymore. It's run out of length. Oh my god. Is that even possible? How is it possible to run out of length on a chat? On ChatGPT? Mangi's laughing, sorry. Okay, let's go. What's the goal doing now? Oh, bro, it went all the way down to not 27. It went past 27. And it went all the way down to 24. This is what I was saying to you, bro. Look, I said if you're going to buy at 33, you want like a 250 pip SL because 100 pip, 120 not enough. I'd have said like 250. Or if you want to be really tight, you can do like 200. And at least you would have been in the trade with a bit of drawdown, and hopefully price goes up. And if it doesn't, then you can cut your loss. Look, what the hell is this price action, man? Gus me so ugh. I do 50 to 80. Yeah, I know, but in these markets you can't do 50 to 80. You need to realistically double that, or like double time. Yeah, I know, but with gold, bro, like I used to do like what, between 8 and 12 pips on gold on M1. Now let's look at M1 now. Let's look at the size of a demand zone. So this is now 18 pips. This is now 18.5. This one here is 30 pips. This one here is 25 pips. Like I used to do normally 8 to 12, like 8 to 12, 8 to 14 pips SL on gold. Now we're getting like double, nearly triple. So obviously even on the higher time frame, you're gonna have to obviously account for double / almost tripling the SL size in it. We give it another 10-15 minutes, yeah, in the hopes that we get some sort of move occurring. If we don't, then I'm just gonna cry. See, look. You can't go short. These markets are not for the faint-hearted, that's for sure. So anyway, did you hear what I said, Francis, about what ChatGPT said to me? Apparently God of War would be a good match for me because it's like cool. Have a look back at the stream anyway if you want, on the gaming ones. They're quite good. Oh yeah, it looks like you're gonna have to try out some of the AI recommendations first. Yeah, exactly. Like I had a bro, it says I can't even continue the conversation because I've maxed out the chat. I didn't even know it's possible to do that with ChatGPT, which I'm sad because now it's learned what my favorites are and stuff, and it's gone like we cooked. Can I branch off from this? Is there a way to like branch this off? That's insane, but I've never had it where I've run out of a chat. That's actually insane, wow. I do like I like COD Warzone. I like COD Resurgence. That was good. I enjoyed that. I didn't think I would actually enjoy it, but I did. I love Ghost of Tsushima. I'm a Dragon Ball Z nerd. What else is there? I like Street Fighter and Tekken. What else? I want to wait for Tides of Annihilation to come out. I want to try that. That's what type of game is that again? Tides of Annihilation is a where is it? It was Tides of Annihilation, wasn't it? I looked at Bloodborne because Bloodborne looked amazing, but then like yeah. So basically, Mwangi, Francis, I don't do like games with creepy monsters and zombies, which is where a lot of Souls games are. I have like creepy like monster zombies type thing. Like I was looking at Stellar Blade. Stellar Blade looked amazing, like the way it was and stuff, if you know what Stellar Blade is. And then when I seen the actual like fight mechanics and stuff, I was fine with it. The minute I seen those weird little creepy spider looking zombie type things, I was like, ugh, I don't like that type of stuff. I get very put off by it. I don't mind cool looking monsters like dragons and demons and that's type of cool type of thing, but the minute it gets like creepy or like horror-ish, I just get very like, no, I don't like it. Super nerdy and geeky or whatever. I don't like that. Which is a problem because a lot of the good games like Elden Ring is very much like that. So yeah, I'm very picky, bro. Very, very picky. Diablo looked cool, but I don't know if there's anything else to it. We're really not getting much happening, man. What's going on with silver and gold? Gold is still chopping around a bit. Wait until you close your charts, then a good move will happen. Yeah, basically, yeah. It's been happening like after 10:30, 11 o'clock. It's been starting to move on most assets, which is so annoying. Like so annoying. Oh shoot, you can get it to 9:30 because I doubt I'm gonna be here at 9:30. I think we're done on that. Whoa, Iran's damaged something. Wait a second. What's Iran done? Iran has done something. I'll wait another 10-15 minutes, and if you don't get nothing, I'm gonna cut the stream and play Ghost of Tsushima. I'll stream that instead. But there's news apparently. Okay, so in terms of news, okay, so Iran said that in the coming hours you'll attack hotels in the UAE, Bahrain, Damascus, and also in Damascus, Syria, where the American forces are staying. Because obviously America keeps sending forces to the Middle East, now Iran's attacking those locations where they are. Very valid, support that 100%, that's fair play. America's doing suspicious stuff apparently. Brent crude, no, so where's the update on the war stuff? Kuwait has announced its main commercial port was damaged this morning due to drone attacks. That's it. Okay, I thought there's more than that. Okay, that's fine. Still not doing much on the charts.
UBS Global Research expects ECB to deliver 2 25 basis point rate hikes each in June and September this year versus prior forecasts of rates unchanged in 2026. According to Iranian media, 3 container ships of various nationalities turned back from the Strait of Hormuz after warnings from Iranian Revolutionary Guards Navy.
Are you still here, Francis? What do you reckon to stuff like Kenna Bridge of Spirits? What's that? Is that any good? Oh no, don't like that. Nope, never mind. Never mind. Yeah, I just seen it. It's a very, very heavy cartoony game. I was like, nope, nope. I made a new chat in it, so I just copied the last meaningful conversation, and then it suggested that. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna wait for Forza Horizon 6 to go on discount, because that looks like a good game. I love car games. I'm a car guy. You guys know that. I've already got my my wish list on CD keys. Not CD keys. What's the website called? All keys shop. So I've got all the keys I want of the games on there, and I think I'm happy with what I got, because I got God of War 1 and 2. I got Tides of Annihilation, which is it looks really good. I might enjoy the gameplay, I don't know. And then I got Dragon Ball Sparkling Zero because I'm a nerd, and then Forza Horizon 6, and then Street Fighter and Final Fantasy Rebirth. Then obviously I'm playing Ghost of Tsushima right now, which I'm really enjoying. And then I can get COD further down the line if I want like an online player-based game. And what I've already got on Steam, so I've already downloaded on Steam, yeah. Where's Steam? Right, so on Steam I've already got these games. My wish list on Steam is pretty much the same thing. Yep, same thing on Steam. And then the games I've got is Wuthering Waves, already downloaded. Ghost of Tsushima, obviously. I deleted Call of Duty because it had server issues and stuff like that. I've got Assetto Corsa, Dragon Ball Xenoverse, Ghost of Tsushima, and Wuthering Waves. So yeah, I think that's good enough, man. Cyberpunk. I looked at Cyberpunk, and the graphics are amazing on it. But the minute it got robotic-y and techy, I was like, oh my god, what is this?
Liar! Say I'm not a pedophile.
I'm not a pedophile.
Liar! Say I wasn't on Epstein's island.
I wasn't on Epstein's island.
Liar! Say I don't worship Baal.
I don't worship Baal.
Liar! Say I'm a son of a bitch. Say it!
I'm son of a
Say I'm not a pedophile.
Oh dear lord, some of these clips are hilarious. Oh dear. What's that guy's name, man? Zach Polinsky, innit? Polanski, Zach Polanski.
Seeing from Iranian media now. Iran Revolutionary Guards say Strait of Hormuz is closed. Any transit through the waterway will face harsh measures.
Oh damn it. Okay, yes, Alan, what are you saying? I'm off. Have a great weekend. Happy trading. Peace out, Mwangi. Congratulations on your Elon Gold. Have a good one, Mwangi. Yes, Alan, what are you saying? The markets are shit, man. I swear, Alan. They're absolute arse. Yeah, chilling. Yeah, chat today looks awesome. Yeah, it is really bad, really bad. It's the last day of the month, innit? So like, it's gonna go two ways: really bad or okay. It looks like it's going down the really bad route. I want to see what New York does. Revolutionary Guards. The Strait of Hormuz is closed. Any transit through will face harsh measures. Yes, we already know. It's been the case for a while. Right, we're at 9:30. I'm gonna call it there. Cut the stream. I'm gonna start the live stream for Ghost of Tsushima in about 15 minutes. I'll probably play Ghost of Tsushima for a couple hours till New York session. Then I'll probably start looking at New York just in case there's a setup. And if there isn't, then I'll just carry on playing Ghost of Tsushima because I'm not that bothered. I'd rather wait for next week and trade NFT week at this point.
You're behind the markets. If you're a real day
Henry
trader,
Trump.
go real time at financialjuice.com/purchase and save 67% on a subscription. Let's make a big, beautiful deal, people. Come on.
Come on, people. Come on, people. Let's make a big, beautiful deal, people. Come on. Haroon, what a guy. He's awake now, he'll be here in a moment. Don't know what he means by that. Qatar issues nationwide warning declaring everyone required to stay in their homes or a safe place. Ooh-wee. Okay, I'm cutting the stream there. I'm gonna open the Ghost of Tsushima one probably like quarter to, so about 10-15 minutes. Let me just drop the links and stuff in the chat. Right, boys, see you lot in a bit. I'm gonna cut the stream there and then go play Ghost of Tsushima for a couple hours. Take it easy, boys. I'll start the stream in like 10 minutes. Peace.